Students, today we will be seeing the next chapter, that is analog DC and AC meters. Okay. In that, first point is construction of PMMC instruments. So, as you can see the diagram, we will see it one by one in detail. Okay. As you can see, there is a light rectangular coil wound on a metal frame. Okay. This metal frame is usually made up of aluminium. Okay. You know aluminium material, right? It is pivoted within the air gaps between the two poles of the permanent magnet, that is N and S poles, and a cylindrical soft iron core. You can see the center, at the center you are able to see the cylindrical soft iron core. Okay. This coil, what it will do? It will carry the current which is to be measured. Now, we are supposed to measure the current, is it? So, that current which is to be measured will flow through this coil. Then soft iron core produce formation of uniform magnetic field. Now, this soft iron core, what it will do? It will provide uniform magnetic field. Now, what is the purpose of this aluminum frame? Again, it will also support the coil as well as provides eddy current damping. Okay. When the current is flowing through that coil, some sort of eddy currents, that is some sort of circular currents are flowing in the core. Okay. These are not expected, okay, which can cause error in the reading of the current. So, that is to be avoided or damped. So, aluminum frame will provide this purpose. Okay. It will help in eddy current damping. Then two phosphor bronze springs coiled in the opposite directions will serve as leads for the current in the coil. The current has to be entering into the coil, okay, from which part it will enter? With the help of two phosphor bronze springs, as you can see in the diagram. Okay. The springs also provide controlling torque. The main function is also it is providing the controlling torque. Okay. Now, the moving system is balanced by three balance weights. What are those? The moving spindle is pivoted in the jeweled bearings. Okay. The construction of instrument, I will show one more diagram, that in that it will get cleared. Okay. Now, see. Here you can see the balance, the rectangular coil. Okay. That rectangular coil is connected to the pointer and then to the scale with the help of control spring. Okay. So, that control spring is connecting the pointer and scale to the rectangular coil, and it will also help in providing the controlling torque. Okay. This is the working principle of this PMMC instruments. Okay. As you can see, a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences a force. Okay. And how much force it is experiencing? It is given by the expression F is equal to BIL, where F is force in Newton, B is flux density in Tesla, I is current in ampere, and L is the length of conductor in meter. Okay. So, F is equal to BIL. So, remember this PMMC working principle very well. It will be asked for 2 marks. Okay. What is the working principle? Okay. So, what is the working principle? Whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. Okay. Now, we have seen the construction part of the PMMC instrument. Okay. What are the parts in that instrument? What are the each minute detail? What is the function of rectangular coil? What is the function? Okay. Next lecture we will be seeing the derivation of the coil. Okay.